After you create your answer file with the required SupportAssist configuration, you must deploy the SupportAssist installer package along with the answer file on the target systems. This video demonstrates how to deploy the 64-bit SupportAssist installer package on the target systems using SCCM. However, you can use any deployment tool to deploy the SupportAssist installer package. Before you begin the deployment, ensure that the target systems must meet the minimum system requirements for SupportAssist. You have administrative rights on the target systems. You have created the answer file, and you have placed the SupportAssist installer package MSI and the answer file in a network location. To begin, open the SCCM console and create the software package for SupportAssist. To do this, click Software Library, right-click Applications, and then click Create Application. In the Create Application wizard window, click Browse and select the SupportAssist installer package and click Next. From the imported information, verify if the answer file and SupportAssist installer package are available in the same location and click Next. Specify the name for the SupportAssist application. Optionally, you may enter information in the other fields. Now, enter the command that will run in the command prompt to install SupportAssist with the answer file. For example, msi-exec/i, the file path of the SupportAssist installer package, config equal the file path of the answer file, key equals, and the encryption key that was entered in the Setup Manager wizard while creating the answer file, /qin. For the install behavior, select Install for System. Click Next. Confirm the settings for the application, and then click Next. After the application is created, click Close. Next, configure the content location and delivery options for this deployment type. To do this, click the name of the application you want to deploy. Click the Deployment Types tab, right-click on the installer, and then click Properties. In the Content tab in the Properties window, select Persist Content in the Client Cache. Next, select Allow Client to use a fallback source location for content. For the deployment options, select Download content from distribution point and run locally. Click Apply and then click OK. Finally, we will have to deploy the SupportAssist package to the target systems. To do this, right-click the application and then click Deploy. Click Browse, and then from the drop-down, select Device Collections. Select the device collection and then click OK. Keep the default settings and click Next. Click Add, then click Distribution Point. Select the distribution point that will host this package, and then click Next. Then, for the action, keep the default setting of Install. For the purpose, select Required and keep the default settings for the other options and click Next. Specify the schedule for the deployment if required and click Next. Then, for the user notifications, select Hide in Software Center and All Notifications. Keep the default settings for the other options and then click Next. Click Next again. Confirm the settings for this deployment and click Next. After the deployment is complete, click Close. Next, verify if the deployment is successful. To do this, click Monitoring. Click Deployments, and then right-click the deployment you wish to see the status of, and then click View Status. If SupportAssist is deployed successfully on the target systems, the status is displayed as Success. For more information or assistance, go to dell.com/SupportAssist.